Good morning, class. Today we are going to review math and reading.
Ugh. Summer school is so boring.
I know. I'd rather be anywhere else.
Everyone, work quietly on your worksheet. I'll be checking your answers in 15 minutes.
Luna, serious question.
Should I be worried?
If someone offered you math school work or Domino's pizza, which one would you pick?
Domino's pizza. Nobody has ever said, yay, more math.
Exactly. So why are we still sitting here?
Because we are in summer school.
Not for long. Here's the plan.
What is it?
Pretend your stomach hurts. We'll ask to go to the nurse's office, then sneak out and get pizza.
That's a risky plan.
Come on. It'll be fun.
I'm starving. If I don't get pizza soon, I might start eating this worksheet. Miss Mimi.
Yes, Luna?
My stomach really hurts. May I please go to the nurse?
Of course, Luna.
Oh no, Luna. Your stomach hurts that badly? Don't worry, I'll take you to the nurse's office.
That's very kind of you, Genevie. Thank you for helping your classmate. Luna, walk slowly, and if your stomach gets worse, tell the nurse immediately.
I will. Thank you.
Go straight to the nurse's office and come right back.
We will. Woohoo! Step 1 is complete.
Yes. Our plan worked. We fooled Miss Mimi.
I can't believe she believed us.
Now let's head to Domino's before our luck runs out.
Relax. Pizza, here we come. Come on. Let's go.
We actually got away with it.
See? I told you nobody would notice. The Domino's is only a few blocks away.
Pizza first. Summer school later.
Welcome to Domino's. What can I get for you today?
We would like one large pepperoni pizza, please.
Make sure it has lots of cheese.
One large pepperoni pizza with extra cheese. Will that be all?
Yes, that's all. We're kind of in a hurry.
Yes, that's all. We have to get back to school before we get caught.
I'm sorry. Before you get what?
Nothing.
Okay.
Anyway, could you make the pizza as quickly as possible?
Okay, one pizza coming right up.
This is the best decision we've ever made.
Better than learning fractions?
Pizza has slices. That's basically math.
You're right. We are studying after all.
Exactly. This counts as extra credit.
This pizza tastes amazing.
It tastes even better because we're not in class.
Don't remind me. Now I'm nervous.
Relax. By the time they notice, we'll already be back.
Do you think Miss Mimi knows we are gone?
No way.
What if she's calling the nurse right now?
Trust me. We'll eat quickly, get back to school, and this little adventure will stay our secret.
If anyone asks, we've been at the nurse's office the whole time.
They've been gone almost 20 minutes. That doesn't seem right. Let me call the nurse, Mrs. Norwell. Hello. Did Genevie bring Luna to your office? Luna said she had a bad stomachache.
No, I haven't seen either of them today.
What? They never came to the nurse's office?
No, they didn't.
Thank you, Mrs. Norwell. I need to tell the principal right away. Class, something doesn't seem right. Please continue working quietly while I go check on Luna and Genevie.
Are they in trouble?
Don't know yet, but I'm going to find out. Principal Bernard, I think we have a problem.
What happened?
Luna told me she had a bad stomach ache, so I sent her to the nurse's office. Genevie offered to walk her there. Luna and Genevie never made it to the nurse's office.
Let's check the security cameras. There they are, walking past the nurse's office. They're heading for the front door.
They left campus without permission. I'm calling their parents right now.
It's my mom.
Don't answer it.
I'll just ignore it.
Mine's ringing too.
That's probably not a good sign. We'd better hurry back to school before we get caught.
Genevie! Luna! Stop right there!
Oh.
We are busted.
My office! Now, your parents are already on their way. Genevie and Luna, where have you been?
We.
Don't even try to make up a story. We checked the security cameras and saw both of you leave school.
We went to Domino's Pizza.
You left school just to get pizza?
We are sorry.
You lied to your teacher, skipped the nurse's office, and left campus without permission. That is a very serious rule violation.
Genevie, I can't believe you did this.
Luna, we're very disappointed in you. What if something had happened to you? We didn't even know where you were.
You broke the school's rules and scared everyone.
I'll let your parents decide your punishment.
Genevie, you are grounded for 1 month. No phone, no computer, no TV, no video games, no hanging out with friends, and no Domino's pizza for 1 month.
No Domino's Pizza? That's the worst part.
You should have thought about that before sneaking out of school.
Luna, you are grounded for 3 weeks. No electronics, no going out with friends, especially Genevie. And you'll be doing extra chores every day after school.
I understand. I'm really sorry. I guess sneaking out for pizza wasn't such a good idea after all.
Definitely not.
And that's what happens when you leave school without permission just for pizza.
Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel Storytime with Sonia Panda.